Okay, Couchsurf day, what is it, 3 now?
No, eight.
It's not day 8, day 2 or day 3. Team Hope Orlando, cool.
Huh?
Can. Well, that says it all because you're one of the 5%, right?
6%.
6% now. That's truly, I mean, this Couchsurf definitely had a different angle, a different twist, and like, I meet people like you across the country, and it's inspiring. It's like, no, because I complain and moan about my own problems, and then I meet you and what you do. I do. Now, believe me, I'm putting a good face on, like a social face, but no, like when I'm to myself, I complain about anything that goes my way. So this is really giving me, I mean, this meeting you and all that stuff, it's really added something, and I think that, you know, I'm better for it. And this is what's good about Couchsurfing, because people, you know, your typical host is like these kids that have this animal house and and all of that and all that, all that stuff. But like these times are like priceless, because this is where the learning comes, and this is where the inspiration comes, and all of that. And this is why I travel. I know I'm putting you on the spot and everything. You're actually the most humble person I've ever met. But believe you me, when you go through what you go through, and then just how alone you are, and just it's just you're the unheralded hero. And I just hope, like, for no other reason, like this, like says, like, the 5%, the Dawn L's of the world, it's time for you to, just like the guy that's walking across the country. This is your time. So. No, right there.
Oh.
You're trying to hustle me yesterday. You're like, I haven't played in years.
You said you're colored?
Yeah, I'm colored. Your stripes.
Oh, that was close.
How many people are in this town? Harlan, Iowa?
5,000.
5,000. You wouldn't know it because this rec room is totally empty. In fact, there's not a soul around, is there? Oh, okay.
There's our second floor that's open. And then from our floor, the third floor, we can stand in the windows and look down here.
You can, okay.
That's pretty cool.
And how about this? I think I can zero in on the high V from here.
Wow.
That is the definition of a small town. Oh, yeah. The H is a little blurry, but there you go. There's your high V. It's coming down to the wire. Look at this. You hit it. The longest pool game in history for one ball. Zero in on that clock right there. 2:45. Snapped her.
Sniffed or whatever.
I gotta see that. It's quite a story.
Anyway, so it's been smashed. I forget what was up in the tree. There's stuff up in the tree too. So the girl got out. They were both black, but it didn't matter. But she gets out, and she's sitting there, and she's all upset. So I basically, what main thing I did was just kind of try to comfort her, because she was shaking and everything. And then, sorry about that. I have my back to you.
What'd you say?
I have my back to you.
Oh, howdy.
Good friends with the...
Half drunk. Half drunk.
Half drunk.
Right. Oh.
Just halfway.
And what was his rank? What did he do?
Paramedic.
Paramedic. That's half drunk.
Was he the driver or just wanted to...
Driver.
No.
The driver. That's half drunk. Now where's this?
Right here on Hotel Alex Johnson on St. Joseph and 6th Street.
Cool. What's the name of it?
Hotel Alex Johnson.
Got it.
It's pretty tall.
You know what the room is that's haunted?
No, but they would tell you there. But like downtown is really, you really need to go downtown if you're going to be in Rapid. Okay? At least drive down St. Joseph and Main Street, and one way this way and one way that way.
Okay, so for the Y,
And the Y, you can do two things. You can remember Mount Rushmore Road, or you can remember 9th Street, 9th in Kansas. It's right there.
anything you want to say, like to cancer survivors and all that? This has really been an inspirational. I'm not even BSing you. It really.
I hope so.
This is what I need in my life, you know. Just you really have. I mean, it's really. It's like not knocked sense in me, but like when we were playing pool, there's like, you know, all that thing about negativity that really ringed true, like more than it ever has. So.
Yeah.
So.
Well, it's been nice to have you.
And I'm gonna love. Oh yeah, and about that, like, text me anytime, and if you know you get, they piss you off on Mother's Day, like shoot me a text. I can't call, but definitely text. Because you don't get to make friends too much in Couchsurf, and kind of the host does his own thing. But I'd like to text you, and you know, absolutely. I'm trying to make the speech. I'm trying to make the speech. You did, but anyway, this is what it's about: making friends, traveling, learning, all that stuff. It's I just hate goodbyes. So I always like see you later, and I know I will see you later.
Yeah.
Because survivors, one thing they do is they survive. That's how you do. There's no describe. There's no describe. You just survive. You are a survivor. It was just a pleasure to meet you. And you have influenced me, and
shown me that women can be big blabbermouths.
I just can't get sentimental with you, so we'll just